Ladies and gentlemen, the stock market has crashed and is actually crashing at a historical rate. We have dropped 5% in the past 2 days, which is the most that the stock market has crashed since the 2008 housing market crisis. We are living through history right now. And I know what a lot of you guys are thinking. You guys are super fearful. What did Trump do? So in this video, we're going to break down everything that caused this market crash and what I personally think will happen in the future due to the market, and also some really awesome opportunities that could be made from this crazy market crash. If we look from previous all-time highs on the S&P 500 down to this down to this week's close, we are down 18%, which is a lot. Why is the market doing these things? So if you guys have been living under a rock, or if you guys just don't know anything that's going on within the news or politics, and I don't want to get too deep into this, but essentially Trump issued tariffs against China along with many other countries. Following that, China issued tariffs against us. So we issued tariffs against China, China issued tariffs against us. In turn, that is increasing the cost of goods for companies. So let's just look at what price has done historically following all of these drastic downturns, okay? Housing market crashes. Yes, it was very detrimental, super horrible for honestly a prolonged amount of time, okay? Around like 6 months. But then the S&P 500, what did it end up doing? It ended up recovering. So realistically, if I were to dollar cost average while there's turmoil and fear in the market, and if I'm greedy while there's fear within the market, I probably would have ended up being super fucking rich following this. Now, unfortunately for me, I wasn't able to invest in this back in 2008 because I was literally 6 years old. However, I did have the opportunity to invest back during. Now, something that I hugely, massively regret was not investing more during this massive sell-off, and honestly being fearful when I should have been greedy. And I personally am not going to make the same mistake this time.